Kada baboli mumaete omukungu mutaya. Mumaete omukungu mutaya. Gotwara ro musacha. Onye kabwato musacha mokolteri chardali. Omukungu mutaya. Okonyora no endo oyu musacha wenda ko itamosike. Kandi nabara ite musacha ndebwensi ikara ro mutaya. Kusira beko bayi. Kusaba abantu bayitwa muchani ndo babataya. Mwanja bayi. Yendo kyo mwene.
Nyumbani.
Banda bandega ya mbogo ndio tuleja. Lakini ndege baba twamiti. Especially kiroko jorana kia barai ebare krase gendo ke baungwana o Simba ali osiniki na o Simba no kumlega relax. Kolega asiao Simba tanyega asiao. Ochayi amangana yo bochafu na chitema iga on tigamba te mwaro ra bantu bakuoga bantu bakumnyoka karase ngao Simba bitambanya kitali mbi bitamba ngwango de isobyara gose isomoke agore bitamba niji matrese kiagera no ali ngobis na remwa inkoragera komo abantu abakonya bayitire county P no eno bochabu yeka to arusinsa mbwarenge kubuguli abantu baminto obochafu bwarenge bosongo gaiga na busugumire mpaka naisire komuneko mugongo lakini esenge jama sabaino nko bwande seye bona baonjokire baikolire na bwa maraika baonjokire korumaega batenga uroche obochafu tu abatebeti bwakire bosongo omuntu inero beto bonyiro bonene pi bosongoga etobegete chimask toko clean abantu bangete ko kolegas lakini ena batebeti geta nkobande stima eshokero ngo bakande banda bambali kwegena Mwanja nkonge gosentiga abayibigete karibu ekiri mwibere bakolega manya mpaka no na abana bayino bande baringe gaiga abali na yega asiga eba onjoka badenga tebigabana abwato ke pipe mbwato kobe kijibesa mwabo ekere chire tarakoro ekere pale tayo no ninjo monyere na megete shonga na agorega ntaraswa omugabana na rosi nyumba yane ntaraso omugabana taliye narenge go chansoe nganze ko bayibera gabana kibese kina botokorosi nke toros ya no monto mokende abana bana nabake bali ka baada ya miaka 10 uko bande miaka 50 kona ikira 50 nkingo kora kuru 50 go ikemia onye Yesu tarairana ege ntongo bataba abantu bamite ngote nenane mbegete ebambo goto emekole ebyero yakonyo yayitire nyagitali yayitire ebirasi byaitu byogosoma tindiko batiga lakini mmo ndenga batiga baibe nanjira bonkoira nangende mutonto da na mugane tiko abantu baminto no mule inwe kotoka murama tanga kila lituko mwanyora abantu bakonya kondama na sababu akondamira abande mbali nabo goleti mboronge ngosa bama abira kyara bagira badenga naye kwa babugoleti ninjira babugoleti ngebe chando ninji kakingo sabamonya bere ndai temba sabe monya bere lakini batebi boronge tigabakole egaseria mwabaete gas mwabaete tayokora amasimba ekiaire senge njibalengere tinga ninyi bemba ngo batenga ki koiba koroputi ngo koraki tinko ibambaye Na nonye maraba saje kusaba kutigabante mdana ibi. Yandi batatinga ba kiliogi goseni nyale kolengere kubalengere tingo kubatenga oyia ebeture mwaka amalio egasi ngokolera abantu. Mole tayari? Mole tayari 2027? Onde tai yorate nene na inwe nini mweka mwe tenena ege team nege kire maata iga abantu ba Kenya. I want to give you a warning. You are not going to stay there. We will occupy it. I want to assure Kenya, we are not going to entertain your nonsense. We gave you the field, and now we are telling you, go away from that place. I'm putting 20 million to start clearing that field. Because Kenya, you have a big land. Use it elsewhere. We have given you an alternative land. You cannot turn around at you are going to court. To do what? We will occupy it, and we want to send that warning. Because I know the guys of NIS, you are here. Tell them, we'll occupy that land. I will make sure the field is prepared for the usage of sports. Period. You go, Ebiashara Vindevios, Kenya, and I'm talking to the Director General tonight. We had negotiations. I sent Ngatoma, I sent Omweshimi back to Nairobi. They sat down with the Commissioner General of Lands. They sorted out the issue. They were told to vacate. I can only give you a few days to leave that place. Otherwise, mobe tayari. Abantaba lati matuwadeba correct. Basoke. Mo wanja boy. And we were saying this, Kenya, you are in the national government. We can only collaborate. It's just like that. Aya, bono karabatiga. Karabatiga bono iga. Bima etemo minute karabatiga bono iga. I want to talk to them to leave slowly. So you want to Igo by January, I want to agree with them. They must vacate that place for us to build. Ntubwa tigeti. Igeti tokotumia kediye school itie. We want to make sure negative ke kiabere ke okonya kediye stadium ya Kisii. So you want to igento ya kabere. Bonchari ninka. Iga ninka.